Welcome to Learn Korean Fast in 5 minutes. You don't need a textbook, you don't need to memorize anything, you just need to repeat along and you speak Korean like a native. Guaranteed. Are we ready? Let's dive in.
자, 그럼 우리 건배할까?
All right, then shall we toast?
이것도 인연인데.
This is also a fate so.
이렇게 모인 것도 인연인데.
Getting together like this is also a fate so.
자, 짠, 짠, 건배.
All right, clink clink, cheers.
존댓말 쓸 거야?
You will speak honorifics?
둘이 언제까지 존댓말 쓸 거야?
Till when you two will speak honorifics?
언니가 먼저 해.
Sis, you do it first.
언니가 먼저 말 편하게 해.
Sis, please drop the honorifics first.
그럴까?
Should I?
한 잔에, 짠.
Please have a glass. Cheers.
그런 의미에서 한 잔에, 짠.
To that, let's drink. Cheers.
여름아, 너 취했어.
Yorum, you are drunk.
아니야, 아직 안 취했어.
No, I'm not drunk yet.
야, 너 괜찮아?
Hey, are you all right?
자, 마셔, 마셔. 짠.
Hey, drink, drink. Cheers.
얘는 어쩌자고?
What did she want?
얘는 잘 마시지도 못하면서.
She can't even drink much.
얘는 잘 마시지도 못하면서 어쩌자고?
What's she doing when she can't even drink much?
어색한데.
So awkward.
야, 너 취했어?
Hey, are you drunk?
야, 너 왜 이렇게 취했어?
Why you are drunk like this?
혼자 신나서 마시더라.
She kept on drinking.
빨리 데려가.
Hurry up and take her.
나 집에 갈래.
I will go home.
야, 이 여름 같이 가.
Hey, Yorum, let's go together.
나 먼저 간다.
I'm going first.
여름아, 일어나. 다 왔어.
Yorum, wake up. We have arrived.
우가, 고마워.
Wook, thanks.
아, 더워.
Ah, it's hot.
뭐 이렇게 덥냐?
Why is it so hot?
가을인데 뭐 이렇게 덥냐?
It's autumn and why is it so hot?
우기다.
It's wook.
야, 깜짝이야.
Hey, you surprised me.
한 모금만 마실게.
I will drink just a sip.
역시 우기 커피.
Of course, Wook's coffee.
역시 믿고 마시는 우기 커피.
Of course, Wook's coffee one can trust and drink.
그러게.
Totally agree.
야, 내 말 듣고 있어?
Hey, do you hear me?
날씨가 뭐 이래?
What's wrong with the weather?
그나저나 가을인데 날씨가 뭐 이래?
Anyway, it is autumn and what's wrong with the weather?
내 말이.
That's what I'm saying.
다시 방학했으면 좋겠다.
I wish we could go on vacation again.
자체 휴강하고
With an unofficial cancellation.
자체 휴강하고 놀러 가고 싶다.
I just want to cancel the class and go hang out.
근처 어디라도 놀러 가고 싶다.
I want to go anywhere nearby to hang out.
그렇지, 갈까?
Totally agree. Shall we go?
이런 날씨엔 놀아야지.
In this weather, we should play.
그래서 김욱 씨는
So, Mr. Kim Wook,
열심히 하셨나 봐요.
it seems you did it diligently?
추울 땐 공부 열심히 하셨나 봐요.
It seems you studied hard when it was cold?
아닌 것 같거든요.
It doesn't seem like it.
하실 말씀은 아닌 것 같거든요.
It doesn't seem like what you should say.
이여름 씨께서 하실 말씀은 아닌 것 같거든요.
It doesn't seem like what Miss E. Yorum should say.
I hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you like this self-teaching program, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends.